you for coming. I think all retired today, right? That's 5 p.m. Um, Today I will tell you about Web3 in gaming. It's company Imaginus and Imaginus VR. Like, well, the first one is outsourcing, and second one is our game that we are building right now. All the art in the presentation will be from our game. Who knows about Web3? Can you raise a hand? Nobody knows. Really? Okay, a few person. That's good. So I hope this speech will be inspired for you, and you'll get like insights from it, right? Because for this we came here. Um, that's my name. I'm Andrii Bobniuk. 10 years in IT outsourcing. I'm doing like 7 years 2D and 3D content for games, apps, like web things, Web3 as well. And I'm founder at Imaginus VR and Imaginus, so that's my like babies. um, I worked with like National Geographic, Zula Games, Made Mobley, Furnished, Temple and Webster, a Star Network from Web3 side, and GSS, that's Scientific Association in US. We did like educational things for them. Emirates government as well. So I know something about Web3, a bit. That's our game. Like my foundation, like my base. I worked with Web2 a lot, like first 7 years, and then I switched to Web3 and we did design, arts, animations, and that stuff. And then we start to build our Web3 game, and we go like deeper inside this niche and that inside this field. And today I want to share with you what I learned from that, what I know about Web3 as a founder, as a developer of that game, and I'm just to share with you like thoughts, insights, and all that stuff. But let me tell you a bit about Web3. So Web3, as we see from the name, that's like third version of web, right? And imagine the world when you can do direct impact for any app that you use. Like basically you can change the feature, or you can add a skin inside the app, or like do whatever you want. Inside, like you can imagine the world when you do a transaction where you want to do from any country to any person without any banks and like without country, right? Without this middleman of the country. Yeah, so basically everything that's decentralized without any centralized, and everything that built on blockchain technology we call Web3. Yeah, that's my social media. If you want, you can just like scan and connect me with the Instagram or LinkedIn, or even do a story if you want. I will glad to repost. Our goals for today, let's learn something new about Web3 in gaming, and for founders and developers to understand benefits of creating Web3 games, and even understand why you shouldn't create a game in Web3. Because not everybody should do it. But before, let's talk about market. Right now, if you'll scan this report, you'll see that gaming market, blockchain gaming market in 2022 was $4.6 billion, and it grows significantly fast. And at 2027 prediction will be $65 billion. And that's like significant opportunity for any studio right now, any like developer right now. Not only because of market, but because industry support. A lot of big gamers right now in Web3 who are creating games like Immutable or Inevitable or like Games 7, they allocated more than $100 million from their funds, like each of them. It means that industry support right now is insane. And in Web3, you will get money much more easier than in Web2. That's one of the reasons, for example, why we start to create Web3 game, because just a support of like the market, and that's really great to see those kind of things from industry. But how could we apply Web3 perspectives in the gaming? First of all, of course, NFT. Who heard about NFT? Can you raise your hand? Okay. Really? Not everybody heard about NFT? Okay. And who has NFT right now? No. Okay. So what is NFT? Non-fungible tokens. It calls non-fungible tokens. And we call it true ownership. For example, if you play Dota 2 or you play Counter-Strike, you play whatever, and you buy items inside, if that game will decide to leave the market tomorrow, all your items will burn out because they just quit, and that's all. But if you buy NFT, you buy it inside your wallet, like you collect it inside your wallets. And because of that, you got a true ownership, because nobody can't get it from you. And you can buy any item, you can trade, you can sell, you can do even more. You can use this NFT inside another game if they give you that opportunity. For example, you buy something from our game and then you come to another game, you can use NFT in that another game. DAO, for me, that's one of interesting thing about Web3, because when you come to Web3, you see that everything in Web3 built around community. Like community builds Web3 projects, and DAO, that's something that allows you to increase engagement of user. For example, you can give opportunity to your user to change like feature inside your game. Of course, like not everything, because game mechanics, game design, and all that stuff. But some of things you can change with DAO. Like DAO, that's decentralized autonomous organization. Economics, token. Of course, anybody heard about play to earn games? Or okay, so you know about play to earn more than NFT. To be honest, I don't believe in play to earn because it looks like a Ponzi scheme. But what's interesting about token that's kind of currency inside your game that you could use in different kind of ways, and you can. And what's good about that, you increase your capitalization of the company with a token. So that's one of really great and interesting thing about Web3. And let's see how another companies do it right now on the market. So this game is Parallel. It's a card game. Anybody play Hearthstone here? You play? Okay. I play it too. So what they did, they start to sell their cards as NFT. Cards, characters, different cosmetic things inside the game, accessorize and all that stuff. And they start to earn from that. That's one of the way how you can do a revenue for your game, and how you can do additional capitalization, how you do additional utility for gamers to buy, trade, and sell assets in your game, right? Illuvium is another case. They did over $300 million as token, and they like sell lands and different kind of accessorize, avatars, all that stuff. I think for game to grow, and they did it really fast. Like that's not something that they doing like for 10 years and all that stuff. So I think Web3, it's something that could give you opportunity to make your game successful, not for a 10 like decade. And this game called Pixel, there is over 5 million players. For Web3, that's a lot. Web3 world is not so big as Web2. So this game is really huge for Web3. They sell also NFT, they create a token and like use it inside the game. So in the total, Web3 increases engagement via DAO because you give opportunity to your player to make decisions, to work together, to do something together. So you build a community around your game. You do additional capitalization through NFT sales and all that stuff. And community in Web3 is much more, I think, much more interesting for a game from perspective of user. Like, I think that's something good about Web3. Yeah, but there's problems about Web3. First of all, that's market volatility. I think everybody heard about Bitcoin, and it goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, and all the time, like all the years that we know about Bitcoin, all that years they going up and going down. And that's a problem because you as a player, for example, you bought something for $100, and then 1 year pass, and you see that on your wallet like $50 because of market volatility, or you see that on your wallet $200 and you're like happy. So you can't be sure that you buy something and you will sell with the money increase. That's a problem, and there is no decision, to be honest with you. So that's a risk when you do Web3 game, and you should know about it. For sure, that's gamers market. For example, I'm a gamer, right? I play games every day. Even now, to be honest, when when I listen, I play the game. And when I download a game, I want just to start to play a game. I don't want to create wallets. I don't want to trade NFTs. I don't want to do anything with those crypto things. And when me as a gamer, I see advertising about crypto NFT wallets and like play to earn, I was like, okay, no, I will not play this game. I will not like download it and so on. And this is a problem right now about adoption from gamers to Web3. And for sure, regulatory. A lot of countries, they don't like when you do transactions without person to pay them. So they created licenses, they created regulations when you can't just establish the company. For example, when we established the company, we did so big research about it because there's no possibility just to put a finger on the map and okay, I will be here. No, you should do really big, deep research where you should establish your company. Yeah, so that's problems about Web3. Adoption, for sure, as I told before about gamers, and high cost. Expensive. That's really expensive. To create smart contract, even to do tokenomics, it will take from you like 50, 70K of dollars just to do like financial model for token. That's big expenses. Web3 developers, expensive guys, creating smart contracts. Not everybody can do it. Not everybody can do it even for a lot of money. So you should pick your like guys who will do it really great way. Yeah, so that's all. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some insights and whatever you got from my pitch. That's me. That's like Instagram, LinkedIn, Telegram, even email. So yeah, glad to hear and see you. Thank you. Any questions? Okay.
What is your honest opinion about the future of this kind of market? Because it's like the cryptocurrency the last couple of years was like doing all the way down, and now it's like rising again. So what's gonna be the market of the game?
Thank you. Good question. To be honest, I don't believe in like top. Do you know like top games, right? Like Notcoin, Hamster, all that stuff. No, like where people top a game and like earn the coins. I think that's a shit. To be honest with you, I guess that's not something that you don't get any great experience from that, but games is about experience. You play a game because you want to see the story, you want to get the gameplay, you want to enjoy the game, you want to get this dopamine from the gameplay, right? And when you play such games, I think it will die in a few like months or something like that. The same for play to earn. As I told you before, I think that's Ponzi scam, and every Ponzi scheme is um, going out from the market all the time. I believe that games should be games. A game should be good from art perspective, from sound perspective, from story perspective, and people should play games, and that's first of all what they should do. So I believe in in good games. In Web3, in Web2, like everywhere, and everything that's not the game, because top and play to earn, first of all, is instrument to get the money, not the game, and game at second. Um, I think games should be first of all games, and then something else. Okay, thank you so much. It was a pleasure to me. Have a good evening.